Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the projects. As you know, I have already given you one project, that is the project on consumer awareness, which you all have made. Now we have to make 4 projects. So first project we have done. Now let us see what else can be your second project. It is given in your book at the back in the assignment. I have already told you in that day in the class. So there is an assignment 4 in your project. In your book, you can take this topic as a project also. Now what you have to do is, in this, the project is that take a developed country like USA and a developing country like India and analyze the main characteristics of these economies. So in this project, what you have to do, you have to first, that acknowledgement and introduction and all this there. Then the first point will be, you just take the types of economies in which you write about capitalistic economy, socialistic and mixed. Okay, and then they will take your 3 pages. Then next point where you will write the meaning of developed economy, and in another page you will write the meaning of developing economy. Clear? This is the basic thing. After this, the third thing is, after writing all these things in different pages, on one page like write meaning of capitalistic economy, you can paste the pics of capitalistic economy, you can give the examples of the countries like socialistic and mixed also. Then developed and developing you can also do the same thing. Write the meaning of developed economy, developing economy. You have to write the meaning from the book also, and you can also write the meaning from net. And then some countries, those who are developed and those who are developing. Then in next, just take 2 economies. Suppose you are taking USA. Just take the name of USA. Then just write in a para that what is USA, what type of economy it is and everything. And then write certain characteristics of USA, features of this economy as a developed economy. In a bullet points you can write, like in USA the per capita income is very high, standard of living of the people is high, people are able to purchase good quality products, GDP is very high. Like this you will write the features of developed economy. Then after, next thing, you will just take another economy which is developing, India or any other economy. Write about India, which type of economy it is, mixed and all, then its features. So by this, what you will do, by this you just first give the example of USA, then you have given the example of Indian economy, and then after that, at the end, just make a table and compare both the economies by your own. Just make a comparison between USA and India. This comparison you can show with the table, you can show with the help of the graphs, and also you can paste certain pictures of USA and certain pictures of Indian economy. So this is your one project, which is assignment number 4 in your book. Clear? Now the next projects which we can take is the assignment number 5 in your book. In this, you have to find out the main mode of transports in your district, and you have to find out the problem faced by the people of the district regarding availability of public transport analysis. In this, what you will do, first in this you have to do a survey. Actually you have to make a questionnaire, and then you have to do the survey on this type of, but survey is not possible, I think so right now. If you are able to do the survey online or by the call, you can make a survey and you can make this project. Then comes project number 8. This is very good project. Assignment 8. Make a representation of the major trading partners of India in the last 15 years. Now you have to take major trading partners of India. This is related to something related to your globalization. In this, what you will do, you will just take some major partners of with those companies, those who are trading with India, those who are exporting their goods to India. Take the companies and see the collect the data from the net of last 5 years. You do not take 10 years, just take 5 years. Collect the data, whatever the trading they have done in last 5 years, and just specify the major changes. What changes you have found? Suppose earlier we are depend on other countries for importing some commodities 5 years before. At that time our import is very high. Gradually we are open to produce those commodities in our own country. So what happened? Our import started decreasing. Clear? Now we can export other goods also, so our export has increased. Like this you have to analyze it. This is the one. Then the next project is your what are the major items of export and import from India in the last 5 years. You have to take the major items of import and export of India. Okay? Now what you have to do? In this type of project, you have to make a proper project presentation. Import items which are imported. Make a list of imported items. Then items which are exported. Make a list of exported items. And write down how much we are now what you will do in this project. Now, after doing this, make a analysis or find out the effect of COVID-19 on import and export. The effect of COVID-19 on import and export. And this will be your heading of this will be your topic of the project also. This should be your topic of this project. Effect of COVID-19 on import and export. So you have to find out the items which we imported, paste the pics. Whatever we are exporting, paste the pic. And then after, find out what is the effect of COVID-19 on import and export. Import has increased or decreased. What happens with the export? You have to write about all these things. This data you can easily get from the net. You can easily collect from the net and make this presentation. Okay. So this is your one project. So now today I just explained 2-3 projects. The first one is you're related to the comparison between USA and India. Then another one is your that transportation wala, which is survey based. It is not necessary that you do it. Then project number 8, trading partners of India. And then the last one is project 9, that is import and export and the effect of COVID-19 on our import and export. Clear? So just make the project like this. I have given you I have already given you one question on related to globalization. What is the impact on globalization? So you have to write that same thing. What is the impact of COVID-19 on our import and export on our foreign trade? These are the 3-4 topics which I have suggested you, and you can make the project on that. Now one more project you can make which is related to your subject, which is related to your study material, as we are studying right now the education system in India. So one more project you can make. In this you just write first about the social infrastructure. Okay, what is social infrastructure? Then write about education. What is education? Under this education you just write about literacy ratio. Literacy ratio. You can write about GER, gross enrollment ratio. All these things you have to mention, all these things. Then after, write old education system. Old education system of India, where we are having that 3 tier, secondary, higher level, and that primary level, primary, secondary and higher. ठीक? Explain all these things, primary, secondary and higher education, all three. Explain about them in a brief. Okay, and then you write about new education policy which has been adopted by the government, and write all the key features of this new education policy like this also. And at the end I want analysis from your side that which policy is better. Which policy is better, new or old? Which education system is better, new or old? Clear? In our next class, I will discuss about the new education policy. I will let you know about the new education policy also. Then after you can easily make it. So this is your another project. Now I have given you 3-4 projects. You have to choose amongst them any 3 projects. One you have already made, consumer awareness, and choose, just select any 3 projects and make your projects and just send it to me, mail it to me in one mail. All 4 projects, all 4 projects will be on Word file. Make 4 projects on Word file and send all the projects collectively in one mail. For example, I am sending the mail, or suppose Sakar is sending to Sakar Tripathi project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4 in one mail and send it to me. Okay, and the last date for submission of this I will let you know. You just start making it. By the end of the November I will take the projects. Now your all exams are over. Now you will have holidays also, Dussehra holidays, Deepavali holidays. So you start making the project, and now it is easy to make the projects because you have to make it on e-project. Nothing you need to write, you have to only copy paste, or some parts you can write. Do not copy each and everything, children, from the net, because this time council has said if people are making e-projects, that pedagogy is there, they can find out that you have cheated or you have copied it from the net. So try to write in your own language from the book, or just see the data from the net and try to write it in your own language. And project should not be more than 15 pages, including acknowledgement, introduction, bibliography, conclusion. So if I say basically the project should be only of 10 pages, not more than that. And every project will have acknowledgement, introduction, then your at the end your conclusion and bibliography. Clear? So make a proper and good project and then start making it, and then whenever I will tell you that now mail me on this date or by this date, then mail it to me. Do not mail me one project daily. Make your project make it ready, keep it with you. Whenever I told you, just mail it to me at that time. Clear? Now your project is clear. If still you have any doubt, we will clear it out in our next class. And in our next class, I will explain you about the new education policy, so that you are also able to make this project. Yeah.